Hi gorgeous ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. So back again with an awesome and outstanding collection of scary dress designs ideas for winter season. So in this video you will find the most adorable, the most stylish winter wear scary dress designs ideas for ladies, for girls. There are a lot of ideas, there are a lot of designs that are highly running in fashion these days and are looking so amazing and beautiful. So there are so many beautiful designs are coming up next in this video, and I must suggest you guys that if you're loving these office wears, winter wears, getaway dress designs ideas, so please do like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So my dear viewers, if you're loving these amazing and beautiful skater dress designs ideas, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. I hope you guys are loving these adorable skirt dresses with georgette and chiffon fabric. The hem-plated dresses are really looking so nice and beautiful. The wrap style skirt dresses are also so beautiful. The boat neck dresses, the cowl neck dresses, all of them are unique. So thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.